In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Mystro, a handy app to help streamline your experience as an Uber Eats driver. Let's start from the very beginning and guide you through the process, ensuring you're all set up to optimize your earnings efficiently. The first step is to download the Mystro Driver app. If you're using an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store, and for those of you with an iPhone, you'll find it in the iOS App Store. Simply search for Mystro Driver, and once you locate it, tap to download and install the app onto your smartphone. This app is designed to make your driving shifts smoother by automating some of the decisions you'll need to make while on the job. With Mystro successfully installed, the next task is to link your Uber Eats account. Open up the Mystro app and navigate to the Services section. Here, you're going to want to tap Show More Uber Services, which then reveals a list of options, including Uber Eats. Select Uber Eats, and you'll be prompted to follow a few steps to link your account. During this process, you'll need to grant Mystro the necessary permissions to interact with your Uber Eats driver app. This is a crucial step because it ensures that Mystro can do its job effectively by managing your Uber Eats operations. Now that Mystro is synced with your Uber Eats account, let's move on to setting up your profile and filters within the app. First things first, make sure you're logged into the Uber Eats driver app on your device. This is key for Mystro to function properly and bring your profile online. On Mystro's main screen, you'll notice various tabs that allow you to set trip filters for Uber Eats. These filters will help you specify the type of jobs you're interested in accepting, enabling you to tailor the work that best suits your needs and preferences. In addition to filters, take some time to explore the settings. Here you can adjust preferences such as your preferred switch time and auto-accept settings for taking deliveries. These configurations are instrumental in helping you take control of your work schedule and earnings. With everything set up, you're ready to start driving. Mystro will efficiently manage your Uber Eats driver app. It will automate the process of toggling online and offline, which optimizes your delivery schedule and earnings capability. Thanks to the filters you've set up, Mystro will automatically accept and decline offers based on your preferences. This feature helps you maximize your income by allowing you to concentrate on the most profitable trips, ultimately making your time on the road more lucrative and enjoyable. By following these steps, you're all set to drive with more control and efficiency, making the use of Mystro a valuable asset in your Uber Eats driving routine.